Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use your images that you store in Google Drive in HTML and websites. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping in now. So the first thing is understanding embedding Google Drive images into your website doesn't have to be a complicated process. This guide will cover a few different methods in helping you to integrate those Drive hosted images into your HTML products and processes. So first of all, the direct image link with the Google Drive file ID. So the first thing you need to do is upload your image to Google Drive and set sharing permissions to anyone with the link. All right, and then you'll make sure that the permissions are set to view only. You then need to get a file ID. So from your shareable link, which will look like this, after the D/, that is your file ID, and it ends just before /view. All right, and then you need to create a direct URL. You can convert to a direct image URL, and this is what it will look like. Okay, so you'll have your URL, and then right at the end, you'll have the file ID inserted. So at the bottom over here, you'll see the implementation. This is what it will look like. This is readily available, and it's pretty much easy to do without any additional tools or any additional services or even any extensive knowledge. The second method is embedding options for your Google Drive images. So this is how it works. First of all, you need to open your image preview in Drive, and then you need to click the three-dot menu on the top right-hand side. Then you will select Embed Item, and this will give you an HTML code. Okay, the code will look like this. And then you can use the thumbnail link, and this will give you a little bit more control over the image size. And this is what the URL will actually look like. So the SZ parameter controls, this is the resolution. So for example, over here, it's 1600 pixels. And you must just also remember that images must be shared publicly for any embedding method to work effectively. I hope this was helpful.